I wanted to do this video for a minute. Didn't get the chance to do it, but definitely, guys, definitely leave a like, share, and subscribe with this one. I want to talk about video that I made recently. I put up this anime music video, and I kind of want to show you guys how I did it, how I went about it. So essentially, I have a subscription on Leonardo. So it's app.Leonardo AI. You can go ahead and generate tons of images on this platform. I haven't done a tutorial on this platform, but as you can see, I've generated tons of thumbnails. I've generated tons of images. There's a whole bunch of different things I use Leonardo to do within my workflow. Essentially, I have some images that I generated here. Here is one image in particular, and this is a portrait of an anime African American young adult male. This was what I used to essentially generate that music, and I'm going to show you that music video at the end of this video so you guys can check it out for yourself. But essentially, it's just a simple concept. Obviously, this can be expanded in different ways that you want to, but it's just a simple concept to show you guys how you can get started doing stuff like this. So essentially, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and generate an image on Leonardo, animate image, whatever you want to generate. Now you want to go to Runway and you want to check out their Act-One model. So you'll see here, try it now. So you want to go ahead and click that. And then once you go here, now you have two options. You can start a recording, which will essentially take your webcam and record a footage of your face, just like you see right here. So if you click start recording, you can go ahead and do that. Or you could actually pick an asset. So you can actually pick a video of yourself talking in the camera. So I have videos of myself talking, as you can see right here. So you can use that as well to essentially generate or create your driving video, because this is what you're going to use to animate the faces, because the whole point of Act-One is to animate facial expression. So as you can see here, you see this person, she is talking, and this is what is going to be the driving video for whatever image that she's going to be using. Now, as you can see, they give you some images that you can use. However, I'm going to be uploading my own image, so you can go here, you click upload, and then I'll upload this image. For example, you click crop. You want to make sure the image is 16 by 9. Once you upload it right there, it will take the driving video that you either recorded with your webcam or you selected from your assets, and then use that to generate the video. Once you click generate, it will take about 2 to 3 minutes to generate this. So just be patient. But essentially, once you're done generating that, you will get a video that will essentially be copying your facial expression as well as your lip movement. Very, very cool. And you can use this to do music videos. Essentially, what you could do is just have a headphone in your ears. You sing a song word for word while recording your face, or you can just do a video of you singing a song. Use that as an asset to drive an anime photo, and then what will happen is that Runway will essentially create an animated video using that photo to reflect your emotion in that video. So it's really, really cool. But I also did, to add extra backdrop to the video, was that I actually went to Kling. So I use other images that I generated of this character. So I essentially use this character as a character reference. Let's say this is the image, right? You click edit and you type in the scene that you want this character to be in. So you type in the scene for that character, it'll put that character in that scene, and essentially will have that character do exactly what you want them to do in that scene. So they will be dressed the way you want them to dress and stuff like that. And then once you generate that, you would then go over to Kling, and then you would use the image to prompt a video. So as you can see right here, this is a video that I generated with anime photo from Leonardo. So if I can show you that photo. So this is the photos that I generated on Leonardo. So I'm taking these photos and I'm generating videos on Kling with these photos, as you can see. And I'm just using the same prompt. And yeah, Kling is essentially generating this for me with no problems. You can also do lip syncing if you want. So if you want to essentially put the audio in and lip sync for that particular scene so that you can get the music video to lip sync using Kling, you can do that as well, which is actually pretty cool. You take all these different assets, you stitch them together. You can use something like the script, because the script will essentially also give you the ability to use captions. So you can add captions to the video, then you can pick your style. Once you stitch everything together, you overlay the color videos or the backdrop videos from Kling. You want to overlay those videos over the videos that you generated using Runway to animate your face. So that's essentially what it is. So it's just a Leonardo Kling Runway Descript workflow, and that's what it is. You could also use CapCut as well to do the part that the script does, which is stitching the video together and also generating the lyric video. You can do that as well. So just wanted to kind of show you that. I mean, that is a pretty cool feature, I think, with Runway. Let me know what you guys think about this. I think this is a great feature, and this is a great way to get started doing music videos. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be showing you the video so you guys can check it out for yourself.
Dance with you, I wanna dance with you. Oh, see this girl, she looks so fine. Say all night she be on my mind. I wanna find out about her. Tell me what's her name. See, I walked up to her side, asked her name, and then she smiled. Told me her name was Sura. Then she blew my mind. So I got her number, it was something 629. Yeah. And I said with you, I think I wanna spend my time. Yeah. And the night wasn't over, so I asked her for a dance. Yeah. And she smiled and said, sure, I'll give you a chance. I said, when I get that